Hey guys, this is Julie. Get this off the chart so you can see this. Right here is the monthly distribution on the daily chart. And you can see that we went from the end of the month last month to the end of the month this month. So from bottom to top, 3 to 3. And that's how the algos, work. This is real volatility, not implied volatility. You're not going to find this on your pricing sheet. You're not going to find this on a delta or a GEX level. This is where the dealer puts their risk. And so this is 30-day open and close. So we can put it we can do our calculations at the open of the range and our projection of the close. So this was our projection of the close. It has not closed. It will not close until today at the end of the day, but we can project where that close is going to be. And as you see, that's exactly where the dealer's projection matches JAT's projection. So this is why, if y'all are wondering why a genius like Aaron is working with us, it's because we believe that we have some really good content for you as far as the structure, the way that we structure the market. So, 1, 2, 3. The dealer's cheap risk is on the 1. If it breaks, they take it to the 2. If that breaks, they take it to the 3. And then here they held it. And I had imagined that they're not going to allow this risk to be moved on the last day of the month after they've held it for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. It has been driving Mike Hunt absolutely insane. And I have been enjoying all of his tweets all week because I know where these levels are, right? And so you would know where these levels are too if you were to get the indicator for your chart. I'm going to be expanding some of the market analyzer settings. Right now, I'm only doing the monthly view, which is the trade sessions of the month, but I'm going to be adding the daily ranges to the monthly analyzer as well, market analyzer, so that you can have the 7-day and 30-day. And the 7-day, 30-day is very, very informative because we have discovered that the 7-day ones and threes are very controlling. Again, with that assumption that your cheap risk is on the 7-day, like right here, they ran it to the 7-day and brought it back down. And I tried to coax the market up yesterday. If y'all would go back to my video, it was like begging them, please let us out of here. You can move your risk. Dealer said no. So we're back to here. I cannot imagine that they would allow this risk to be broken on this last day. So just relax. If they do break it, I would assume that it's coming back down. But I don't know. Trade what's on your screen. But with all this sitting here consolidating, and we're at the last day of the month, um, just watch your volatility. Watch the VIX, and right now the VIX is being crushed again. They tried to get it out yesterday a little bit, and it looked much better than the few days before that, where there was some, you know, wrestling going on with the VIX. There's a large amount of buybacks going on right now, so um, they tried to get, some action going on with the VIX, and they got it slapped back pretty hard to get it back inside the ones. So these are the daily and intraday ones. The Globex, daily and Globex, and RTH. I do have an RTH on here too, but you can see that the vol is just being managed right now, close in, not going anywhere right now. So I'm not expecting that range to break. It would have to have a really, really hard push out of this level. And as you can see right here, the dealer knows exactly where my number is because they are 45.70, and so does Mike. Uh-huh. So that's all I have for you today. The NQ is the same. NQ 30-day threes actually got a little bit above it. So what I would assume that we'd get back below those 30-day threes. Dealer has not allowed this to move very far, so they may have moved their risk to the 100 because it's not moving past these threes. Um, so when this broke here, put this on 100, they may have moved it up to 100 at the very beginning of that big bull bar, is my guess. They just moved it to 100 because of this bull bar, but they have kept it inside that the whole time, and that's the reason that they have not forced it below this level, is because they're expecting this continuation of the trend. So just consider this a trend continuation, um, and the variance off of that 3 is because of this big giant bull bar that broke it, and they did not allow it to get past this level, because they did not want the ES to move. You see what I'm saying? They kept them both together. We're just trying to figure out what the dealer's doing. I'm just hypothecating. But if you get to see these levels on an everyday basis like I do, you can draw these probably same conclusions that we are. They're keeping it close to these threes. We'll get through today, and then tomorrow, Friday, and today, Harkster was able to tell us that there's going to be some movement with the dollar at the end of the day, and so that will affect the equities. So we might see a market on close pick up. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Thank you.